Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some amazing iOS 14 widgets that you must have on your device. iOS 14 has been released for a few weeks now, and of course there are a lot of apps that offer widgets. Most of them are cool, some of them are very useless, and of course there are some amazing ones. So in this video I will show you guys some of the best widgets that you can get on your iOS 14 device right now. Starting off with Widgy. Now in my opinion, this is the best widget app that you can get on your iOS 14 device. It is really different from other apps. Now with Widgy, you will be able to create your own widgets, and it has a lot of features. Also, it has an amazing community where you can find different widgets created by the community, and of course you can just scan the QR code and have them on your device and also personalize them the way you want. So here I have 3 examples of different widgets that you can get with Widgy. Now the first one right there, you can see that's like an interpretation of a message on iMessage, which shows you the battery level of your device. Really cool, of course, very creative. Now here we have the device, you can add a wallpaper there, we have the date, and of course the battery percentage, and right here we have like a message that you can set, a picture that you can set of your own, like your emoji or something like that, even a picture if you want from the gallery. And then right here we have all the other different informations, battery, the connectivity right there, and you can see it is really awesome. Now Widgy offers a lot of different features. If you go to the app, right here on the main page, you can go ahead and create your own widget. You can import a widget, so when you go to the community, which you can go right here on the Reddit of Widget, you can go ahead and there just save different QR codes on your camera roll and then scan them from here, and you will get some amazing widgets on your device from Widgy. Now if you go to manage, right here you can go ahead and set your widgets. So you will have here different slots for the small, the medium, and the large widgets. So what you do here is go ahead and tap on one of them and select which widget you want to place there, and then of course apply it to your home screen using the widgets panel on the home screen. Now with the free version you will be able to set only one. You will have to pay a pro version in order to get all the slots unlocked, but it's really worth it. It has a ton of features and some really amazing widgets. Next up is Spotify. Spotify has recently been updated to offer iOS 14 home screen widgets. There used to be a few apps that would offer this, but this is the official one from Spotify. Now here we have 2 kinds of widgets that Spotify offers. We have the medium one and the small one. On the small one you will see the now playing song, the album art right there, and of course the title of the song. On the medium one, you will see the same at the top right there, but underneath that you will see your most recent played songs. You can see the album arts right there. Now this will probably remind you of the music widgets that Apple offers. It's kind of like the same, basically they look very similar, but this is from Spotify, the official iOS 14 home screen widgets from the Spotify app. Another big app that has been updated to offer iOS 14 home screen widgets is TikTok. Now if you're a TikTok user, now you can have the home screen widgets right there on your iOS 14 device. So here we have 2 different ones. We have the bigger one, the 4x4, and the 2x2, the smallest one. It also offers a medium one, which is the 2x4. Now what you see here on the bigger one, you will see like a trending hashtag right there, and then you see 3 different videos right here that are trending. On the smaller one, you will just see the trending hashtag right there. Now here you will see 3 different videos, and if you tap on one of them, it will take you directly to that videos. Next up is Weather Channel. Now Weather Channel also offers home screen widgets for your iOS 14 device. Now what you see here are 2 different kinds of widgets. We have the 2x4 and the 4x4. Right here, of course, on the 4x4 it is bigger and you will see more information. So you will see the current weather right here, and then you will see the hourly forecast. So you can see right here we have 10, 11, 12, and we have like the next 6 hours of forecast right here on the home screen. And it also shows you the radar right there. It does the same on the smaller one, so you see the current weather, and then you will have the next 3 hours, and then right here you will have the radar. It also offers a smaller one that you can add on the home screen. Now you can 3D touch on the widget, and you can go ahead and tap on edit widget and choose the location that you want to display on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. Next up is Widget Link. Now this one is really interesting. It allows us to have links directly on the home screen of your iOS 14 device, of course using the widgets. Now it is really cool. It allows us to have more links, of course, on the 2x4 one and a link right there on the smaller one. Now the only downside to this is that when you tap to actually open a link, it will redirect you to the app first and then it will open the link on Safari. It would be really great if it could just open it in Safari immediately. Now going to this app, you will notice right here that you can go ahead and customize the links. So you add the link right there, you go to settings and you will have the small widget and you have the medium widget. You can go ahead and just customize the widget any way you like right here. Now when you go to the links, you can also tap right here and add an image as the logo of that link and of course add the title right there. Next up is a widget called Countdown. It allows us to have countdowns on the home screen of your iOS 14 device, and it is probably the best countdown widget that you can get for your iOS 14 device right now, and it is also free, which of course makes it really that much better. So what we have here are two different types of countdowns. Right there we have the dual one, so it shows you two different countdowns. Right here we have one that shows you like a main countdown that you choose, of course, from the menu of the widget, and then you will have the other ones right here on the right side. So you go ahead and 3D touch on the widget, tap on edit widget, and right here you can sort the order right there and you can choose how many events you want to show right here. So that's really great. It allows, of course, to customize the widget and make it look the way you want. Next up is World Clock. Now with World Clock, you will be able to display a bunch of different styles of clocks and different cities on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. I know there's a clock widget that Apple offers, but this one is much better and it offers you more options and of course more ways to customize the widget. Now right there at the top you can see we have the medium widget, which shows our 4 different cities right there and of course the time on that city. And what you can notice here is that we have 2 cities which are with white color and we have here 2 cities with black color. Now that will change depending whether on that city is daytime or nighttime. When it's daytime it shows them white, it shows them black when it's nighttime. And we have other ones right here. You can see we have 2 locations here, we have analog clocks right there, so a bunch of different widgets that you can add and of course customize them the way you like. Also, if you 3D touch on one of the widgets, you will be having here a bunch of options that allow you to customize the widget. You will have here analog or digital. You can set a secondary text and you can set also the appearance, whether you want to be dark, light, or you want it to be automatic. Next up is Clock Widget. Now this one is really interesting. It doesn't do much. It will only show you the battery percentage. It will show you the current time and of course the day and the current date. But what I like about it is that you can customize it with these colors and make it look really nice. Of course, you can just make this look good with the setup that you currently have or the wallpaper that you have on your iOS 14 device using the colors that you can customize from the app. So we have 2 different sizes right here. We have also a bigger one with this app. You have the 4x4 one, which you can also add to the home screen. So if you go to the app, you will see right here you have a menu with everything that's on the widget, starting from the different fields to the text right there. So you can customize the backgrounds and you can also go ahead, you can see right there, you can also customize the font color. So you will have here, so let's say date font right there, and we can change that. You can see it right here. You can change that to any color you want. So every field here on the widget can be customized with a different color. Next up, we have Habit Minder. Habit Minder is an app that will remind you to complete your daily tasks. Every day you do something. Of course, you have your own habits, like maybe exercising, walking, or maybe reading something or doing work or anything that you do. Of course, you can add all of that to the app, and then using the home screen widgets of this app, you can remind yourself to complete your daily habits. So you can see here we have 3 different widgets. It offers a ton. I believe like there are like 10 different widgets that this app has to offer, and of course you will have all kind of different informations right here. So at the top right there we have a 2x2, 2x4, which shows you the walk, exercise, and hydrate. These are 3 habits that I have added to the app, and it will show them right here. Then on the smaller one, we have just 1 habit, and then you have also smaller ones right here, which you can go ahead and add there and show you only one habit, which of course you can change from here. So you have your habits set up on the app. You can go ahead and choose here which ones you want to show, or you can just show a summary right there, which is also really cool. So you can customize these and show anything that you want on the widgets. Next up is Clock Alarm Widget. Now this is an alarm app which offers widgets that are very useful. What they do is they display your next alarms right on the home screen of your device. Now it offers different sizes of widgets, of course, all the widgets you need, the bigger one, the medium one, and the smaller one. Right here we have the bigger one, which shows you up to 4 different alarms on the home screen, and then we have the smaller one, which will show you your next alarm right here on the home screen. They're very cool, of course, and they look very nice. The design is really beautiful. Now if you tap here, it will take you to that alarm that you tap. So right there you can see, if you tap, it will show you the alarm, and you can go ahead and edit that alarm directly from there, which is really cool. So on whichever alarm you tap, you can go ahead and edit that alarm. Next up is T-Day Widget. Now with T-Day Widget, you will get a bunch of information in one widget. So here we have 2 different sizes. We have the small one, the medium one, and the bigger one. Right here we have only 2. We have the medium and the bigger one. So what it shows here, the weather right here, let's start off with this medium one. So it shows you the weather, the current weather right here. It will show you your stocks and also the recent news right there. Now it does the same here with the bigger one. So it shows you right there at the top the current weather and also news and stocks right here. Of course, these can be customized, the stocks and the location from this app. And last but not least is one of my favorite widgets. It's called Facts, and what it does, it shows you like interesting facts on the home screen of your device. Now you can choose between different sizes of widgets. Right here we have 2, we have the medium and the smaller one, and it just randomly shows you different facts that are really interesting. And of course, it's good to know all these cool facts that you can learn from this app. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are some of the best iOS 14 home screen widgets that you can get from the App Store right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you're interested on downloading any of these widgets, make sure you go ahead and check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there.